Today we're baking a cherry streaked cake that is really simple to prepare and always turns out well. The exact amount of ingredients can be found in the description below the video. New viewers, of course, I welcome you to subscribe to my channel. Beat the eggs with sugar into a fluffy white mixture for a good few minutes, then sift the flour and baking powder. Add half the prepared portion to the egg mixture, then add a cup of oil, 3-4 cups of sparkling water, and the second half of the sifted flour with baking powder. I pour half of the prepared mixture into another bowl, add 2 tablespoons of cocoa to one part, and mix everything. You can also blend it, add a spoonful of wheat flour to the light part, and also stir or blend so the flour isn't visible, and we're going to pour everything onto the baking sheet alternately. You can pour it about 4 or 5 times. I have a baking tray measuring 23 by 33 centimeters, so the tray should be roughly this size. Next, I arrange the pitted cherries. We can also make a pattern with a stick and put it into a preheated oven. Bake for 40 to 50 minutes at 180 degrees or until a wooden skewer comes out clean. Of course, you can also use different fruits. It's delicious, rises beautifully. I recommend it. Enjoy your meal.